How to change notification sound for specific servers on Discord. Now, Discord Mobile does not natively allow you to set different notification sound for specific servers. However, Android users can bypass this by using system notification settings, while iOS or Apple users are limited to the default Discord tone. So, in order to override this, simply tap on the Discord app for some time and tap on the app info with the eye symbol. Now then simply head over to the notification section and make sure that you allow the notification and toggle it on. Then make sure that your sound and vibration mode is also turned on. Now every time you open a Discord or a Discord messages appears on your navigation bar, it will show with a sound. And that's it guys. Now simply close the application and you have it. Now make sure that your sound is also turned on full. If it is low, then you will not hear it. Now, after that, you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.